Ultimate Guitar Pro is a subscription service that builds on the free Ultimate Guitar tab library by adding interactive features designed to help players learn faster. With Pro, you get scrolling tabs that sync to playback, tempo control, looping sections, and backing tracks that simulate a full band. It also includes a chord and scale library, advanced tab editing, and ad-free browsing. The service costs around $99 per year or $25 per month, which some users find is steep compared to free alternatives. Reviews highlight that beginners and intermediate players benefit most from the structured practice tools, while advanced guitarists may prefer free tabs or learning by ear. Right now, it's on a spring sale. It's around 75% off. So if you want to try it, you can get this special offer. So, in short, Ultimate Guitar Pro is legit and worth it if you want interactive, accurate tabs and practice tools, but casual players may find the free version sufficient.